So new from Road Warrior for 2022 is the all-new floor plan, the 397. So the 397 is a floor plan that you've never seen before, and you've never seen it with this paint scheme. Why? Because new for 2022, it's called Shadow. It's an option as a full body paint scheme. Now let's take a look at all the features that make this new floor plan so unique. So whether you want the 397 as your floor plan for you and your family, or you want any of the Road Warrior floor plans in this optional full body paint scheme, you can get it by going to heartlandrvs.com.